Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the boiler and the solenoid valve was buzzing. So these three-way solenoid valve was just making a loud buzzing noise, and that means it needs to be replaced. We also replaced all the gaskets on both of the boilers, from the steamer one, the brew one, and the steamer boiler. And now the machine is working perfectly fine. Out. You don't hear the buzzing like you used to hear anymore, and now you have a better water flow as well as that buzzing noise completely gone. And now for the steamer. Working perfectly, and hot water. Okay, thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.